Hello, everyone. It's me again, JAZZLYN LOZADA, also known as VA Jessie of Telecrew Outsourcing. If you are new to my channel, welcome and hello, and thanks for dropping by. This channel is all about cold calling, virtual assistants, appointment setting, and phone sales. I also provide free tutorials about real estate inside sales. And if that's your cup of tea, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, we will be talking about how to create an introduction audio or video if you are applying as a virtual assistant or as a freelance virtual assistant. So why have I thought about creating this video? And why did I choose this topic? As you all know, I am the co-owner of Telecrew Outsourcing, and we are a virtual staffing agency here in the Philippines. And we provide cold callers, sales representatives, and appointment setters globally. And since most of our campaigns are voice accounts, it's a must that our freelancers have either an audio or video introduction. However, I have observed that some candidates get chosen quicker than others because they have more engaging self-introduction samples. If you are applying for an appointment setter role, virtual assistant, or cold caller role, you will have a huge advantage if you have an introduction ready that you can submit along with your cover letter. This will help the employer or the client assess your qualifications, understand your skills, and have a grasp of your personality. So before I dive into the tips, I'd like to give you some reminders to help you have a more noticeable self-introduction video. First, of course, you have to make sure that you are using a mic of good quality. If you are applying for a voice account, it is important to establish that you have the required equipment for when you are going to make calls. Also, try using the USB type as opposed to the jack type because it is less likely to have a static. Second is when recording, make sure to be in a quiet environment and make sure that there is no background noise being heard while you are speaking. Background noise might affect your application, especially if the client wishes to hire someone that has a professional setup. Third, create a video introduction if you can. A video introduction is very powerful compared to an audio introduction. It gives you a more human-to-human type of approach, and it is always a delight to see the person behind the voice. I mean, audio recordings are great. They are okay, but I noticed that those with video introductions in my team are more noticeable to clients. Now, once you have decided that you are going to do a video introduction, make sure that you dress up and look sharp. This will help you convey a more professional tone, which is definitely a plus when you are applying as a virtual assistant. And lastly, you must organize your thoughts. You must organize your thoughts by creating an outline or a script. It's up to you if you will create an actual script or if you want to use bullet points and wing it from there. I mean, whatever floats your boat. What's important is you do not sound monotonous and scripted. Speak with confidence and conviction. So now let's talk about what your video or audio introduction should be like when you're doing an introduction video or audio. Of course, you must start by giving them a brief understanding of who you are and where you're from. Others have noticed they are also discussing their age, their college courses, and achievements, and that is great. Make sure that you also include a bit of a catchy phrase that defines your niche and your impact on your previous or future clients. So for example, I'd say, hello, my name is JAZZLYN. I am an expert real estate virtual assistant and a salesperson with over 15 years of experience. I am from the Philippines and I've helped many realtors close deals through my services. You'd want to let them know what services you offer. Start with discussing your main services and connect them to your strong skill set. For example, I have strong communication, negotiation, and phone selling skills, and I offer cold calling, appointment setting, and real estate acquisitions. You may also talk about soft skills or other services to give them an understanding of your other expertise. For example, I'd say something like, I am also a digital creator. I create content online through Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. I was able to gain almost 8,000 subscribers on YouTube through organic reach. Therefore, I can also assist you with managing social media. Who do you serve and your past experiences? You must talk about your work experiences and tell them about your tasks and responsibilities there. It will also be helpful if you will discuss the common struggles you are experiencing and how you overcome them. Tell them your action plans to achieve or exceed your goals. You can also talk about the type of leads that you called or the dialers you've used. Talk about the types of markets you have experience in, like the location or countries of your previous clients. Tap into different industries you've worked on and make them understand your niche. Tell them about how you've helped your clients and the impact you had on their company. For example, I'd say I have over 8 years of experience as a virtual assistant for realtors and real estate wholesalers. I've worked with Keller Williams Real Estate, Intero Real Estate, and EXP Realty. Most of them are from the United States, but I also have an experience in the UK and Australian market. Now, my role for Keller Williams, Intero Real Estate, and EXP Real Estate was an ISA or inside sales associate. I did cold calling for them, and I also dialed expired listings for sale by owner, circle prospecting, and many others. I was tasked to call and pre-qualify homeowners and convince them to meet with my agent for an in-person listing appointment. I've helped many clients close real estate deals by providing highly qualified appointments. You can also talk about the seminars or trainings you have gone through if you want. And you can also talk about strong characteristics that help you do your job more effectively, or something that makes you motivated. Just make sure that you speak genuinely and not say things because you feel, that's what they want to hear. Okay. So for example, I like sales because I like the feeling of being able to convince another person through sharing my ideas and through influencing them. Every closed deal gives me validation that I am an effective salesperson. This fuels me to do better. And I'm also a team player, and I'm honest, and I work with integrity. I strongly believe that my skills and years of experience would be a valuable asset to your organization. Right, so this sums up my tips for making a more catchy self-introduction. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, kindly do that. That would really mean a lot to me. And if you are a client, an entrepreneur, a business owner, and you want to inquire about our services, please email me at info@telecrewoutsourcing.com. And if you are an applicant, an aspiring virtual assistant, please go to our website at telecrewoutsourcing.com and click apply now if you want to have a chance to join our team. Thank you so much. I would put in all of my contact information in the description box. Thank you so much for your time today, and see you on my next video. Bye.